Hello everyone. In this video I'm going to speak about ionic compounds. Let's get started. As I just clarified in the previous video, the ionic bonding would be formed between positive ion and negative ion. So based on that, we should have positive ions, which are cations, and anions. Okay, all the ions, do you think all the ions are coming from elements? No, we still have what we call polyatomic ions. And we have some common ions that you might memorize so that you could make your life easier in the tests. First of all, we have ammonium ion, which is NH4+. We have hydroxide, OH negative, hydrogen carbonate, HCO3 negative, nitrate, NO3 negative, carbonate, CO3 2 negative, sulfate, SO4 2 negative, phosphate, PO4 3 negative. One of you would say, why we need to memorize them? By the way, they are already given in the periodic table. You don't have to memorize them, but in case you would like to save your time in the exam, it would be good if you would memorize them. Okay, what should we do now? We should work out the formula of an organic ionic compound based on the charge. First of all, we have ammonium sulfate. How I can write ammonium sulfate? Ammonium, as you can see here, it's NH4+. Where is sulfate? Sulfate is SO4 2 negative. How I can write this formula? After writing the ions, you need to exchange the valences. We have here 2 negative and we have here 1 positive, so it has to be NH4 2 SO4. This is how I should write the ionic compound formula. Next example, we have iron 3 chloride. Iron is a transition metal. For that reason, I'm given the oxidation number, or I'm given the valency for iron here. So Fe, it is 3+. Why 3+? Because it is a metal, so it has to be plus. 3 is given here. And we have chloride. Chloride is -1. Now I need to exchange the valences. It is 1 and 3, so it has to be FeCl3. I don't write 1. Aluminium sulfide. Aluminium is Al. It's in group 13, so it has to be 3+. And we have sulfide. What is sulfide? Sulfide is S. When it ends by ide, it means that it is the ion from the element. So we have here S2 negative. So it has to be Al2S3. This is aluminium sulfide. What are the other examples about the ides? Like oxide, nitride. You have the nitride is N3 negative. You have oxide O2 negative. Magnesium carbonate. Magnesium is in group 2, so it is Mg2+. What about carbonate? Carbonate, here is it. So it is CO3 2 negative. Oh, they have the same valency, so they would cancel out. So it's MgCO3.